Algerians.
Okay, only for Algerians people, right?
Mm.
Okay, okay. I
So
got
the
it.
NFC doesn't have to be with the Canadian people or Mexican or French. It's only for Algerian people.
Okay, I understand. Okay, the main thing is the apps for private people, and they can able to open the app, and first they need to verify with their passport or
Yes,
whatever you need. After
yes,
verify, they can able to apply for job or houses or etc what you want, right?
yes,
And they want to pay
exactly.
for this.
Uh, what do you mean? They have who has to pay?
Like
People?
yeah.
No, they don't have to pay because we would take a commission with the how do you call it? For example, if we have shops, someone who
Mm-hmm.
is selling candles,
Mm-hmm.
okay, he will have the shop in the application, okay, and he
Okay.
will be selling the candles or the candies or anything,
Mm-hmm.
and each time there is someone that is ordering from the applications,
Mm-hmm.
we can take a commission from
Oh,
the sellers
okay.
and from the buyer.
Both.
Okay, so they can pay inside the application. For
Mm-hmm.
the buyer, I
You get the
guarantee
you
that
get a you get the specific percentage of
yes,
this amount, right?
c'est ça. Yes,
Mm.
exactly. So for the buyer, I guarantee that if ever he has or she has a problem with the product, I will refund. And for the sellers, if ever, for example, they have a bad experience with the buyer, I can actually they have
Refund.
exposure also on the application.
Oh, okay. The
Okay, I
who
can
cheat, something like that, right?
manage. Hmm?
Like who cheat on this, like something like that. You publish their information on this app.
I didn't hear you.
Hello.
Yes, could you repeat?
Like you said, if anyone have bad experience with their like sellers,
Uh-huh.
so you can upload their information on apps. So
Exactly, exactly.
who
I
cheat?
will be having
Yeah.
everything.
Mm.
Yeah, I will be having everything. I can for example for the buyer I can or refund or punish the user, kind of you're not allowed to buy in this shop anymore for
Mm-hmm.
20 days, for example, or anything. But at least I don't know. I will manage. Once I get there, I will manage the
Punishment.
problems. It's okay.
Okay, I understand totally. Okay, no worries. Okay.
So I don't know if
Okay.
it's something that you can do,
Yeah,
knowing that it's gonna be
I
for
will.
Algeria.
I will. I need to discuss with my team for the passport verification. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
After that, I will give you the details.
Okay, no problem.
Right.
Of course.
We have to talk about all the things, and in this meeting, in the Fiverr Zoom meeting, have the text
Mm-hmm.
what we have to talk about. Then I will take the
Mm-hmm.
text on this, and I will prepare a document with the
Mm-hmm.
prices and timeline. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
I will send you.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Okay, first we we need to talk about my team for the passport verification. If is it possible, then we will. And if it's not possible, then we will. Yeah, I will find a solution, and I
It's
will
okay.
told you.
If it's not possible to have an application, I will still do a website.
Okay,
Okay.
it's a website or app.
It's an app, but if I cannot do an app, I will do a website. A
Website.
website.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you very
Yeah.
much,
Thank you for your
Fat.
time. Yeah, and
Thank
I
you.
understand everything. I will get back to you with the fixing
Okay.
all the things and with the information, with the details, timeline and code. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very
Thank
much. I
thank
will send you
you.
my Instagram. I think you have my. You sent me
Uh,
a message, right?
uh
Was
yeah,
it you?
it's I'm working on this platform. So yeah, is it me?
It was. Sorry, it was you. No,
Sorry?
it was you who sent me a message on Instagram. No.
Uh it's me. Like
Yes, it's you.
I'm a project manager and
Okay,
my name is
okay.
our worker. Yeah.
You're
Oh,
still
I don't
sharing the screen. At least let me have a pause. Like, let me do like this.
Ah, sure. Give me a pause. I take a screenshot. Okay, okay. Yeah, I get it.
Who are you gonna send it to?
Oh, my friend.
Okay, say hi,
Okay, I will.
and then make them pay for the photo.
Okay, I will try.
I don't know if you're gonna have a lot of it, but a lot of money with my face, but it's okay.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Okay.
See you soon.
See you soon. Thank you for everything, Tushar. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Goodbye. Ciao, ciao.
Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Bye. You too.